Hello guys, hello everyone, how you guys doing? Oh my god guys, hello guys, hello everyone, how you guys doing? Oh my god guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy, like I'm super excited. I'm so happy because guys, it has been so long, like so long that I really wanted to do this, but I keep procrastinating about it. But thank God, I'm so happy that finally I'm here. So first of all, go ahead and introduce myself to you guys. My name is Gift. I'm from Nigeria. Okay, I know you'll be wondering what this channel will be about. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you guys what this channel is going to be about. Okay, it's going to be about vlogs and tutorials. Sorry guys, pardon me, okay? Pardon me, I'm just trying to face this week. It's going to be about vlogs, about me, about myself, about gifts and tutorial. Guys, I'm a hairstylist, okay? As you can see, I've tried to fix this week. This is a braided wig. I did it myself. This is one of my products. I'm a hairstylist and I'll be so glad to share my knowledge, the experiences I've gotten so far. I'll be so glad to share it with you guys. Okay, so this channel is going to be about vlogs to myself, about myself, and then about my work. Okay, I'm a hairstylist, so I'm here for you guys to tell you guys how I did this sample of my wig, guys. So I'll be here, so happy to be here to show you guys how I achieved it. So guys, feel free to talk to me about anything, like anything. Feel free to talk to me about anything. Okay, so if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's just a introduction video. I just want to introduce myself, so I don't want the video to be too long. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos, YouTube will notify you that yes, I uploaded a new video. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, and I promise guys, I promise it's going to be amazing because I'm here for you guys.